trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.
I can no longer do this, I hate this, but please hear my prayer. Dear Father in heaven, it's heavy. Come save me, convince me, consent me, convey me. It is painful and it's hurting me, holding on to it, but I keep on losing it. Now, all this expression gave me depressions, and I can meet your expectation in this very generation. I am lost, what's the cost? Let me pause. Every Sunday at the church, on my knees with breeze, I freeze, tears on my face. I'm flawless and foolish, coolest and careless and careless. That's me. When they mistakes, it takes forgiveness and then forget. My sin is great, but wait, you love me more than I sin. You love me more than I think. Your love is unending, and yet I am still struggling with the pain again. Please show me the path to take and break the snake. I could only prove you and grow to be a better person. Lend me the light, I'll fight with all my might and mind.
I really don't understand. I try to grab it in my hand, but all these thoughts come inside my head. Like who am I, who I should be, I can't understand. Lord, I give you my all, I give you all that I have. My hopes, my dream, my everything, but it seems like it's pointless, it's hopeless. I'm out of focus, I bet it's stolen like the locust from the story Moses. When everything is said and done, I feel like I'm not chosen. Best believe I won't forgive or forget, cause that's what they get. And on that note, I gotta know if you use me to spread the gospel down the throat, or use me to spread the words from the book. And honestly, I try to prevail, but without your love, I'm bound to fail. This is the story of my tale. From coast to coast, home to home, been bound to the chain, nowhere to go. Been so broke and I gotta go, but you took a sinner like me and brought me home. Damn, I can't express it, gotta confess it. Maybe I felt it, learned to love it, but I thank you for everything that you did.
Lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.
또 빨리 찬양해서 다 해.
Thanks.